Hello everyone, it's time to break down another quilting design. This quilt is called Now I Lay Me Down to Sleep by Timeless Traditions. Even though this quilt does not have traditional borders, I still divided the areas into an inner-outer border and a center area. As you can see here, I mapped out my continuous design path for the center of the quilt on this clear plastic using a dry erase marker. Unfortunately, I was not able to video how I quilted this area. For the outer border, I stitched a row of ribbon hearts, wiggly lines, then connecting curves with a heart in the middle. By starting and traveling in the binding area, this allowed me to stitch the border continuously and without having to worry about tying off the threads. For the inner border, I will first stitch the flower and baskets, using the same thread color as the outer border and center designs. After all the quilting is complete, I will change my thread to a lighter color and stitch all the background at the same time. Here I'm using the BFF straight ruler by the Quilted Pineapple to do the applique, to stitch around the applique. Prior to quilting, I marked the cross-hatching grid on the brown basket using my 2-inch grid stencil and white pounce powder. This allows me to continuously quilt double cross-hatching lines while also stitching around the applique, stitching one line on each side of the marked line. Stippling is a classic traditional design, but I realize many beginners find it challenging to make a consistent shape and size and to figure where to drive next. For this reason, I have included this longer section of the video so you can follow along as I stitch out the stippling design. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube so you don't miss the next video coming out soon.